Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about Madagascar and its unparalleled exoticism, otherworldly forests with lemurs and ancient baobab trees, and dazzling beaches of relaxation. Let's get started. Madagascar calls adventurous travelers with a siren song of unparalleled exoticism. This island nation, nicknamed the Eighth Continent, boasts a surprising level of endemism, a fancy term for wildlife and plant life found nowhere else on Earth. A wildlife wonderland. Madagascar's isolation for millions of years has fostered diverse and beautiful creatures. The island is the undisputed lemur kingdom, with over 100 species swinging through rainforests and leaping across arid plains. The chameleons blend seamlessly with the foliage, the bizarrely beaked fossa, and the toothy grin of a radiated tortoise, a living relic from prehistoric times. Flora fantastic. Revered as trees of life by locals, the baobab trees' majestic giants can store water in their trunks, allowing them to thrive in dry regions. Venture into the emerald embrace of rainforests teeming with vibrant orchids, vanilla plantations, and unique spiny desert flora. Unforgettable experiences. Pristine beaches with swaying palm trees and crystal-clear turquoise waters hug the coastline. From whale-watching adventures spotting majestic humpbacks to trekking through breathtaking national parks, Madagascar offers experiences that will stay with you forever. Beyond the natural wonders, explore the bustling capital, Antananarivo, with its colonial architecture and vibrant markets, and immerse yourself in the rhythm of Malagasy music. Malagasy cuisine, a delicious dance of African, Asian, and European influences, is a revelation for adventurous palates. Rice reigns supreme in Madagascar, serving as the base for most meals and often served alongside a vibrant array of dishes called lauka. Very aminanana is a mixed rice with greens. It's a fantastic way to sample a variety of seasonal vegetables cooked with meat, shrimp, or simply seasoned for a lighter option. A call to the adventurous soul. Madagascar is a destination for those who crave the extraordinary, a place where the natural world explodes in a riot of color and biodiversity. So, if you're looking to escape the ordinary and set foot on an island unlike any other, pack your bags and set sail for the Eighth Continent. Madagascar awaits. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Madagascar stands as a testament to the wonders of nature, with its unique wildlife, stunning landscapes, and vibrant flora. Beyond its natural wonders, Madagascar also boasts a rich cultural tapestry, with its bustling markets, colonial architecture, and vibrant music scene. The fusion of African, Asian, and European influences in Malagasy cuisine adds a delicious dimension to the cultural experience. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.